वो फोन लेकर जल लेगा जा रहे भाई।
अपन हम करेंगे।
अच्छा है इससे बड़े करंट के बारे में, उसके बारे में करंट कैसा था, टीवी का करंट आता, इसका आता, उसका एंटीना बोले क्या देखा ये सिस्टम है
जल्दी व्हाट्सएप खोल, जल्दी व्हाट्सएप खोल, जल्दी व्हाट्सएप खोल, जल्दी व्हाट्सएप खोल, जल्दी 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 व्हाट्सएप खोल, जल्दी सेटिंग्स में जा, फिर हो जाएगा 4049 डैश। ए डैश कौन मारता है? नेम के बाद डैश मारो। ये सी बड़ा ही इसको 44045 कैसे लिखा? ओके दबा दे। अरे अब आवाज ना को करो भैया, ऑनलाइन कर रहा भैया, ऑनलाइन आप तो देख लेते ना नोटिफिकेशन।
तो ऐसा नहीं करना, ये ऐसा दिखता है
गुंडी आंटी है दे, गुंडी नहीं है इसको दे, तो गुंडी इसको लगाने की गुंडी नहीं हेलो
खराब पड़ गया रुचि
3 दिन के बाद,
नहीं होता
2 दिन के बाद अब क्या कर लो हमें जरा बोलो। अरे पूरा गली में पूरा शहर गेट आइडिया है, अच्छा बच्चा है आइडिया, इतना अच्छा आइडिया कभी नहीं आया था। 30 मिनट को देना स्वेटर into sweater, इंटा into इंटा, इंटा into इंटा, मिनट मिनट मिनट। देखिए बाबा ये टोपी डालो मेरे सिर पे। क्या समझ नहीं आ रहा है?
Okay. Good morning, dear students. Good morning to all. Is my voice clear to you? If my voice is clear to you, I request some of you, please inform the same through the chat box. Is my voice clear to you or not? Okay. I got that information that my voice is clear. We can start. as soon as possible. Still, some students are ready to get admit in our charting room, in our meeting room. Okay. Most of you agree that my voice is very clear. Still, we can wait for 2 minutes. Only about 50 students, they got admitted in our meeting room. Okay. See that if we go through the topics we discussed so far, those topics are need for English, classroom English, expressing feelings, making request. These 4 topics we discussed so far. These topics come under first unit, that is speaking. One topic is left in first unit to complete the first unit syllabus. The topic, that is expressing likes and dislikes. With the topic, we complete the first unit syllabus, which has 5 topics. Those are need for English, classroom English, expressing feelings, expressing likes and dislikes. This is the topic we discussed today, and making request. These topics, you have to go through that without any choice for your exam. If you go through these 5 topics, these 5 topics are meant for the students to make them to speak this English language. So that these 5 topics, they come under speaking. So preparing for your first meet, without any choice, you have to prepare these 5 topics. Those are need for English, classroom English, expressing feelings, expressing likes and dislikes, making request. Whatever the material that is required for you to know about each topic, whenever there is possible, I gave the notes, I gave dictation, and also I informed the students to take a screenshot of my PDF, PPT files, slides, and etc. That information is good enough to know what is what about each topic. And out of your interest, if you want to know some more about each topic, about this basic English syllabus and subject, it is good if you have a textbook. In the textbook, you may find some more information apart from that what we discussed so far. So I suggest to you to have a textbook with you. I think the textbooks may be available in the library, or it can also be available in the market. So try to buy the textbook, not to the guide. So if you take the guide, it is a private edition. Most of the students unknowingly, due to lack of information from the teachers, they the guides. But I suggest to you to go for authenticated textbook, so that is only the correct one to know a lot and the correct information about the subject of basic English. If you buy the textbook once, It is useful for your first semester as well as your second semester. So that it is my good advice to buy the authenticated textbooks. Those textbooks are available in a shop where Polytechnic as well as the BTech textbooks are sold. In that, you can insist the bookseller to give the authenticated SB-TET textbook, not the private publisher guides. Okay? Now, today's topic is expressing likes and dislikes. So this is the topic. It is very brief and it can be completed in this class. And whenever you want to take your student asked a question, sir, we take basic and advanced.
लाइब्रेरी में मिलता है, बाहर
First
मिलता है बहुत
semester, first semester, you are prescribed to go to the textbook basic English. Okay, not advanced English. So basic English textbook, it is prescribed for first year, first semester. Okay. Okay, very good. Now,
इसमें दो है, एडवांस भी है।
in this topic, we can see if you want to express our feelings, it may be positive and negative. How we have to express from speaking point of view, we can learn, we can discuss the topic expressing likes and dislikes. See that everybody has their own feelings. Yes or no? They can express their feelings in different ways. It may be like, it may be dislike. If you like about the feelings of others, you can agree with them. If you do not like with the feelings of others, you can oppose that feeling. When we like the particular feeling, we can use one kind of the phrase at the sentence. Yes, I like. Or if you do not like the feelings of others or feelings of ourselves, if you want to express, no, I don't like. Like that, we can begin a sentence by saying this phrase. If you want to express likes and dislikes. See that our likes and dislikes, this kind of the difference is mainly dominated by our taste, by our feeling, our experience, our friends, our social background, our family background, and social condition. Based on that, our likes and dislikes will be. So that whenever you are expressing your likes and dislikes, the other person, the listener, can see what kind of the person you are, what kind of the attitude you have. That kind of the personality and attitude can be estimated when we are expressing our likes and dislikes. For example, when we are the one member in a class or in a group or in a community, in a society, then most of the people or the members of the community, they like the particular thing. Certainly we have to agree with them, we have to express, yes, I like. Opposite to that, if you express negatively, the rest of the people, they can find a fault with us. It means the community is dominated sometimes our likes and dislikes. Similarly, the classroom, the majority of the students, the majority of the members in the community, majority of the family members in your family, and etc. All those things, they can dominate about our feelings while expressing likes and dislikes. So that we have to be very careful whenever we are expressing our likes and dislikes, because they can suggest about our inner feelings, they can suggest our attitude, how it is. So that we have to be very careful while expressing our likes and dislikes. So students, if you want to take screenshot of this interaction part, you can. For that, I can give a few seconds time. If you take screenshot, no need to have any PDF file, no need to dictate. By that, we do not waste that time. Okay, right. Thank you. Okay. If you want to express classroom, if you want to speak in classroom, we have some tips. How we have to speak in the classroom. Similarly, if you want to make a request, there are some tips how we have to make the request. In the same manner, when you want to express our likes and dislikes, we need to follow some tips. Okay, what are the tips that we have to follow? Let us see now. First one is, we have to use complete sentence. How? If one says, a question అడుగుతారమ్మా, నీకు చదవడం అనేది ఇష్టమా? Do you like reading? If you translate in English, see that most of us generally they can follow colloquial language, informal language. At that time, most of us simply they can say yes if they like. If they do not like reading, they say no. See that. Here we can notice most of us they can use only one word or phrase, but they can ignore using a sentence. So when we are expressing likes and dislikes, we have to use a complete sentence, but not a word or a phrase. How we have to express? If anybody asks a question, do you like reading books? Yes, I like reading books. This is a complete sentence. So instead of that, if we say, I like, yes. So it is not a complete expression expressing our likes and dislikes. So that use a complete sentence. Second one is, be formal in expressing. Whether we are polite or impolite towards the other person, that kind of the politeness we can express by using the words. Sometimes we can express that kind of the politeness by using our tone of the voice, by increasing, decreasing, decreasing, increasing, increasing, decreasing. So by words, by expression, we can show that we are formal or informal. So that always we have to be formal in expression. We have to use the formal words in formal situation. That is the meaning here. Next. While expressing our likes and dislikes, we have to avoid the grammar mistakes in sentence. For example, most of the students, they can commit the grammar mistakes while expressing likes and dislikes. So as to know the knowledge of the students, some type of questions are given to know whether a student has the grammar knowledge or not. For example, yes, I like to read the textbook. Yes, you like to read the textbook. Yes, she likes. See that. As he, she, it comes under third person, we have to add S to the main verb. This is a rule in grammar. So that type of grammar mistakes we have to avoid. Next one is, use proper expression for showing your likes and dislikes. How can we use the proper expression? By using our tone of the voice. Yes, I like. No, I like. No, I don't. So like that, we have to use a proper expression for showing your likes and dislikes. If we do not use the proper expression, some person can feel that he is the neutral. He is not certain expressing his feelings, whether he likes or he doesn't. So that a proper expression is required while expressing likes and dislikes. Next one is, avoid using one word while expression. As I mentioned earlier, If you want to say that I like reading books, then we have to say, yes, I like reading textbooks. Instead of that, we should not say yes, or we should not say I like. This is not the correct expression, so that we have to avoid using one word or a phrase while expression. Last one is, if you want to be good at expressing our likes and dislikes, we have to practice a lot that type of the dialogues and sentences. So these are minimum 6 important tips are suggested if you want, when we want to express our likes and dislikes. Okay. Now let us see that. Okay, students, if you want to take a screenshot of this slide, you are allowed to take screenshot. For that, you are given a few seconds time. Okay, thank you. Okay. Now let us see that when we want to express our likes and dislikes. In this, students are asked your like and dislike. In the chapter, the students are given some questions, then asked to express what kind of the sentence